welcome to episode 4 of Know Your Tools, and today we're going to be doing the Eyedropper Tool. Here it is right here on the side. So the Eyedropper Tool, put simply, uses these crosshairs here to select any color out of any image that you've got on your project. So for example, the pink here, you can see it saves that pink down there. The blue over here, you can see it saves the blue. And then you can use that color for just say a font. You can put that in there. Jack ding. And that's the blue color from over the right side here. You can hardly see it because that's the same color, or the pink over there. But again, I want to show you guys how to use it in a little bit more depth and hopefully teach you a little thing or two, because it is very simple, but if you know how to use it better, then you might be able to save a little bit of time on your projects. So if we move up here into the sample size, you can see there's a point sample here, which means that when you click, that exact pixel that you click on is the color that it chooses. If you want it to be a little bit less specific, you can actually bring it out to maybe a 5x5, which means you've got a 5x5 section of pixels that you're choosing. And if you hold it, you can see the color that it's choosing. So even though these bricks are very similar, it's actually changing it a fair bit. I'll give you an extreme example. I could come out here to 51x51. That's quite a large area. And as I drag it over to the blue, you'll see that even though I'm not in the blue yet, the color's getting a lot bluer. So you might want to pick a color to go right in the middle, and then you've got the two colors kind of combined for your project. Again, you can see even when it's on the pink here, it's never going to represent that exact pink color that it's on. It's taking all the colors around it and combining it to make the one average color. And again, I guess for another bit of a trick like I just used, you can hold down the mouse, you hold that click down, and you can see the color that you're selecting exactly. So if you were looking for that blue color on brick, you might want to choose your brick a little bit more specifically, and you can see that color. And then you can see it ends up straight over here on your foreground color, whatever color it is that you choose. So that's the Eyedropper Tool, guys. Very simple, but again, hopefully I taught you a thing or two to be able to use it a little bit better, be a little bit more efficient with your photoshopping. This is a part of a playlist called Know Your Tools, where we're going down every single tool in the toolbar. So make sure you keep checking out the other ones, and if you're enjoying it, subscribe. Thanks heaps, guys.